India's economic rise is a story of phenomenal growth and increasing global influence. With a conducive investment climate and robust infrastructure, India has emerged as a preferred destination for investment in the plastics industry. The plastics industry embraces technological advancements, focusing on efficiency, innovation, and eco-friendly alternatives. From automotive to healthcare, construction to consumer goods, the demand for plastic products is skyrocketing.
The Indian plastics industry is projected to expand from $41.99 billion to a staggering $119.97 billion by 2027 to 2028. Exports of plastics products are set to grow from $4.8 billion to $12 billion, reflecting the global embrace of Indian ingenuity.
At the heart of this growth story lies PLASTINDIA, the world's largest international plastics exhibition. We are proud to unveil our brand new theme for PLASTINDIA 2026, the 12th International Plastics Exhibition, Conference and Convention. PLASTINDIA 2026, Bharat Next, at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi, India, from 5th to 10th February 2026. Bharat Next is not just a theme, but a promise of a brighter, more innovative tomorrow for the nation. This renowned venue provides the perfect backdrop for an event of this magnitude.
Spanning across 150,000 square meters.
The event will feature 20 halls over 6 days, expecting over 600,000 visitors and 2,000 exhibitors, including 500 overseas exhibitors. PLASTINDIA 2026 will focus on innovation, sustainability and growth, representing our commitment to pioneering advancements, driving economic growth and fostering sustainable practices that resonate worldwide. Join us in this transformative journey as we embrace Bharat Next and lead the world towards a brighter, more innovative tomorrow. Come and be a part of the Bharat Next story at PLASTINDIA 2026.